Latest and greatest thing that we're bringing to SEMA this year is our Gen 6 3-liter Supercharger Kit for the 24 Mustang GT and Dark Horse. This features the Whipple Gen 6 3.0-liter rotor set and is available in 4 configurations. First being Stage 1, that's available with a 3-year and 36,000-mile powertrain warranty to protect your new car. Then we have Stage 2 for those of you who want a little bit more power. That makes 850 crank horsepower or approximately 750 wheel. We also have it available in Stage 3 and Stage 4 configurations. Those are for you that want to push the limits of your brand new car. We made 807 rear-wheel horsepower with a Stage 3 kit, and we made 850-ish with a Stage 4 configuration. The difference with that kit versus our Stage 2, Stage 3 comes with a 3625 pulley and the carbon fiber intake tube that you see over here on the other side of the Supercharger. That's included with a Stage 3 kit, and then we go a little bit further with Stage 4 by including a 120mm throttle body in that package. Each one is also going to include a grip tech pulley sized for the amount of boost for that horsepower goal. Stage 3 will be a 3625 and Stage 4 will have a 3.5-inch pulley.